Brizzy vlogs essentially. If you're actually watching this is actually my first video of me posting on the channel, and there's not really a purpose of this video other than just riding to my destination today, but we'll see where we get. Let's just cross this roundabout. The sun is setting, so I'm hopefully trying to beat the light right now. Beat the sun, I should say. And all this GoPro setup and microphone, this is actually the first time I'm trying it out, so I'm hoping it actually works. But we'll see. Had a little bit of experience with motovlogging, but not really like anything good, I would say. But you know, we gotta give it a try. So whatever floats our boat and whatever works. Essentially the goal today, I'm gonna travel to this place called Wellington Point here in Brisbane. Hopefully I can capture some cool drone shots. Yeah, I haven't taken out my drone in a while, so I'm hoping it will be great today. Oh, the quick shifter is really smooth on this bike. I'm riding the Yamaha MT-09. Done about 3,700 Ks on it, so picked it up brand new. Really nice bike. So I'm hoping that I can get a lot more motovlogs in there for you guys. What on earth is happening there ahead? It's just a bunch of smoke. Must be from the gravel. So far, hopefully, I haven't heard this microphone yet as I am recording right now. As I said, this is the first time I'm trying it. I hope it's actually pretty good, but we'll have to see. Oh, dead bird. Oh, Jesus. But as I said, hopefully the goal today, hopefully I can beat the sun. Hopefully I can make it to sunset, hopefully, so I can fly the drone, get some cool cinematic shots, hopefully. Let me see if I can get into this lane. Yes, I can. Power on this bike is insane. I can't even push the whole power on this bike. So hopefully I can get up to highway speed and I can test this microphone setup. Well, I'm testing it blindly right now because I have no idea how this is going to sound, but hopefully we can test it in some higher speeds. Let's just change lanes. So we're about there at 100, so hopefully the speed I should say the wind is not affecting the microphone too much. Well, this is just kind of a test. Now reduced. And what's that? Cop, I think it's on the other side. But yeah, what I might do, and the traffic is slowing down. That's not really helping our time, isn't it? But what I might do, I might just fast forward this motorway until we get to the exit, and we'll go from there. So I'll catch you in a bit. And we finally made it to our exit. So we're going to be taking a right on this exit, so believe we've arrived to our destination. I'm hoping it turns out okay. Hopefully it's still a bit of light so we can capture some good shots. Welcome to Wellington Point. It's high tide, that's for sure. Oh, it might actually work out okay. Maybe. We'll have to see. Well, let's just wait for him. Let's just park. We'll park at his place, why not?